The article highlights a unique cultural exchange between two unlikely factory-built off-road supercars, the 2023 Lamborghini Huracán Sterrato and the 2023 Porsche 911 Dakar. The narrative is framed around the experiences of two MotorTrend editors, Scott Evans and Christian Seabaugh, who were given the rare opportunity to drive these limited edition vehicles in extreme environments tailored to their capabilities. The Lamborghini Huracán Sterrato and the Porsche 911 Dakar are both unconventional off-roaders, more accustomed to racetracks than dirt roads. Lamborghini Sterrato, designed for sheer fun, lacks the utilitarian features often found in off-road vehicles, focusing instead on delivering an exhilarating experience on gravel and snow. It boasts a Lamborghini V10 engine and a slightly raised suspension, making it a blast to drive on rough terrain while maintaining a connection to its supercar roots. On the other hand, the Porsche 911 Dakar is a modern homage to the brand's rally heritage, particularly the Paris-Dakar rally-winning 911 SCRS from 1984. The Dakar is more of a complete off-road package with a height-adjustable hydraulic suspension, specialized off-road driving modes, and protective gear for rough terrains. It combines the classic driving experience of a 911 with a ruggedness that allows it to tackle desert landscapes with ease. Both vehicles were tested in their respective elements, Porsche in the Moroccan desert and Lamborghini in the Mojave Desert of California, highlighting their unique capabilities and personalities. The editor swapped cars to provide a comprehensive perspective, ultimately agreeing that both vehicles, despite their quirks and limitations, offer unparalleled joy and a new dimension to the supercar experience. The article captures the thrill and absurdity of these off-road supercars, emphasizing that while they may not be the most practical or capable off-road vehicles, they deliver an unmatched level of excitement and fun, proving that sometimes pushing the boundaries of what's expected can lead to something extraordinary.